Yo, what's up guys? It's Random Plays here, and today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Valorant. So, step 1, go in your system tray, and you see this icon right here that says Riot Vanguard. You want to right click on that, press more, and then uninstall Vanguard. So go ahead and click that, guys. And then you get this message. Don't bother reading the message, just press yes. Right like that. Yeah. So now, we wait for something to happen. Okay guys, something has happened. So, now you go to the start menu, then you type uninstall. And then, you see this thing that says add or remove programs, and you want to click on that. Okay guys, now that you've done this, you go to search this list here, and then you type in Valorant. Okay guys, can you see now? It says Valorant at 1.16 GB. That's good. You want to press uninstall. Just like that, guys. Now we see this message that says uninstall successful. This is good. Now we press done. And that's it, guys. Valorant is uninstalled. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.